Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has another venture called Starlink that has been launching hundreds of satellites into space, intending to offer a high-speed broadband internet to subscribers even while on the go. So here's what you need to know. What is Starlink? Starlink is a 6-year-old division within SpaceX. SpaceX has spent 3 years launching more than 1,000 satellites into orbit, and it recently scored $885.5 million in funds from the US Federal Communications Commission. Starlink is now offering pre-orders and sign-ups, and in February of 2021, Elon Musk disclosed that Starlink now serves more than 10,000 customers. The idea is Starlink satellites want to connect people anywhere from the world. Starlink promises to deliver high-speed broadband internet to locations where access has been unreliable or completely unavailable. So how does it work? The satellite internet constellation that beams internet access down to the Earth, the ground-based hardware needed to connect to Starlink's satellite internet service. When you subscribe to Starlink, you will get a kit that includes a satellite dish and router. All you need to do to make the connection is set up the satellite dish at your home. It receives the signal and passes the bandwidth onto your router. How many Starlink satellites are in space? Starlink's first prototype satellite was launched into orbit in 2018, and from there 20 successful launches since then, bringing the total number of satellites launched around 1,500 as of May 2021. SpaceX launched Starlink satellites into orbit using its trusty Falcon 9 orbital rocket. Eventually, Starlink hopes to surround the entire planet with satellites that can beam down the usable high-speed Wi-Fi signal. Starlink will probably need at least 10,000 satellites into orbit to achieve that goal. SpaceX has suggested it wants as many as 30,000 satellites in the constellation. While Musk has claimed the service should hit worldwide availability sometimes in 2022. How fast is Starlink's internet service? Starlink's website says you can expect to see data speeds vary up from 50 to 150 megabytes per second and latency from 20 to 40 milliseconds in most locations over the next several months. In February of 2021, Musk claimed the internet service would double its top speeds up to 300 Mbps by the end of the year. Musk revealed on Twitter in April 2020 that the service is ready to go fully mobile. Where is the Starlink available to connect? According to SpaceX, the Starlink service is ideally suited for areas of the globe where connectivity has typically been a challenge. It is currently only available in the select parts of US, Canada, the UK, and the other areas, with coverage focused on areas sitting between 45 and 53° north latitude. Starlink has begun accepting pre-orders from the customers who want to try the company's better-than-nothing beta program. Starlink says that it's accepting pre-orders from customers on a first-come, first-served basis. Some pre-orders could take up to 6 months to fulfill. The internet service itself costs $99 per month, plus taxes and fees included. It also costs $500 for the mountable satellite dish and router. So what do you think of the looking inside the Starlink satellite constellation, which is going to spread all the internet service to the whole world in coming months?